Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to help or be doing and showing you guys how to do is we're going to change light bulbs on the front of this X21. You're not going to need a pile of tools or anything like that, just a few hand tools, and we'll get started. So just give me a sec to get my camera in place here, and let's get started. Okay, so all you're really going to need is a 10mm socket. And there's two bolts on one on each side, and then there's one on the bottom. So you're going to want to remove all these. I dropped my little spacer. So you're going to have, on the X21 at least, a little spacer like that goes into the little rubber plug here, and then your bolt. Both sides, and then right on the bottom you're going to have another 10mm directly on the bottom right here, and it's gonna have to come out too. So I'm going to take that bolt out, but I'm not going to touch the light because I don't want it to just fall and snap that piece off. So now we'll go to the left, right here, and we'll hold the light with our knee. Now we'll take this bolt out. And again, spacer and bolt. And then the whole headlight will just come forward like this. And so all you have to do is unplug the plugs for your lights. So that's your headlight. And then your signal lights are here. Disconnect all those. And then we'll come over here. And always, when you have a headlight like this, put something down, like a rag, something like that. You don't want to scratch the face here of your headlight. There's all my bolts. All you have to do is pull back the caps like this. You can go ahead and unplug this, just like that. Pull back the cap like that. And now to take the bulb out, it's very easy. You just push down on the little wire, it flips back like that, and then it'll pull out like this. And that's it. So that's it, that's your bulb. And it pulls out just like this. Don't touch that bulb with your fingers because the oil on it will literally make the bulb pop. So you don't want to touch that with your fingers. Like that. And then we can put our bulb back in. Like that. And then put the clip back down in place until it slides underneath there like that. So I'm just going to take a look at both bulbs, and then I will be right back. Now, just before I put my wires back on, you just have to remember to put the rubber plug back on. Make sure it goes over the bolt all the way, or all around the bulb all the way. And you can fold it back over like so. Just like that. And then you can plug it back in. Just like that. Okay, now to put it back in, it's going to be the same as the way we took it out. I'll show you how to hook up your wires. So we'll come up here and I'll put the light like that. And you'll notice I put a rag on the fender as well, because if I have to lay the light down for a sec, I can just set it down. So I can put my plugs back together. My plug. So my signal lights first, orange to orange, and ground to ground. And the same with your rate signal light, as soon as I can find the wires for it. There they are. Whoa. See, and that's why. See how it's like greasing all over the place? I don't want it to scratch, or I didn't want the fender to scratch. So you want to do it just like that. I'm just going to hook it like that so it doesn't move. Then I'm going to get my bolts. And remember, these two bolts go in like that, so they go and slip inside the little rubber tabs on each side. And we can lift it up and put it right back into place. Usually what I'll do is I'll just finger tighten one on each side, and then I'll put the bottom one in after. Like I said, I'm just going finger tight with them, and that's it. And now I can put in my bottom one as well. Now, before I tighten them, you want to make sure that your headlight's in position. So you can, this here is an adjuster on the bottom. So make sure your headlight's in the right position, and then you can tighten everything up. So now I'll tighten up my sides. And don't over tighten them, just snug like that, and that's it. Anything more than that, you're just going to break the clips on each side. Like that. And now my bottom one can be tightened. And that's it. And then you can take your rag off your fender. And that is how to change the headlight bulbs on an X21.